Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer Nana's eye roll, Maniology M165 and So Metal. We're going to start off this manicure with Nailtiques Formula 2 and beautiful bases loaded lacquer Nana's eye roll. I've had trouble talking today. Oh goodness. So this is a jelly formulation with lots of little bits and glitters and flakies and stuff in it. It's so pretty. I know y'all hear this so much on my channel, but I do. I love all the polishes. They're so pretty, and this is no exception. So now we're going to go in with our second coat of Nana's eye roll. This is from the Bingo, the Customs, the Facebook Customs, I believe. Don't quote me on that because I could totally be wrong, y'all. And then we're going to do 1/3 coat. And I could have got away with 2, but I just wanted to go ahead and do that 3rd coat and see. I just wanted to see what it would look like. And I'm not sad that I did a 3rd coat. I think it looks really good. We're going to top it with INM Out the Door. And this is a fast dry top coat that you can pick up at Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I just let y'all know what I find and what I'm liking. So far, I'm really liking it. It dries pretty good. So there's my swatch photo of Nana's eye roll. And then we got M165 and So Metal by Maniology. Got my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper out today. Gotta get this film off of here and get this plate cleaned off with some acetone real quick. And now we're going to hop on into some playing. So this is another one of those plates that was Nightmare Before Christmas inspired. And I got to get a little piece of tape so we can pull up this excess image that we don't want. And this one's really cute. It says, "How Jolly." And then I'm going to do this Christmas tree over here. But on my nail, you can't really tell it's Christmas tree. I knew it was because I saw it on the plate. But my nails are so skinny and the image is so big. And I didn't want to shrink it. I just wanted to fill up that nail with Christmas tree. I am cleaning that plate off with some acetone. And then I'm going to do this tree up here that's got ornaments hanging off of it. So even though it's a Nightmare Before Christmas, to me it's still, you know, had some kind of Christmas in it, and so I decided I would go ahead and do it. Now, I can't guarantee that this video is going to get put up before Christmas, but we're going to try. And then this little wordage was way too big for my pinky nail, so I'm going to shrink it. I'm going to use my monocle stamper, pinch the corners in, and pick it up and release it, and it shrinks the image. There are other videos out there that really show this in depth, and this is just too cute, just too cute. So I am going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess off of my nails. I mean, not off my nails, off my skin, around my nails. I like to get as much as I can up with the tape. That way I don't have any prolonged use with my brush here and the acetone. I just want to make this part quick. Make it quick, quick, quick. And yes, that little thumb is naked still. I'm just not in the mood for dealing with it. I'll be using the Maniology smudge-free top coat. I use a lot of Maniology products. I do have a ambassador code down below that will get you 10% off your order if you're interested. And now I'm going to top everything off with Posh. And the pinky says, "Have a spooky Christmas." I didn't want to mislead y'all and say the wrong thing, so I waited till I could see it good. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.